this desk represent your life. 12 years behind this desk, 5 more in college, and now you're still behind a desk. Only now it's in a cubicle. They told you, study hard, get good grades, get a safe job. But here you are, broke, confused, trapped, and still wondering, why am I not rich yet? Because, my friend, you were never taught how money actually works. That's the truth. I had 2 fathers growing up. One had multiple degrees, a stable job, and a government pension. The other dropped out of school and built businesses. One said,
"The love of money is the root of all evil."
The other said,
"The lack of money is the root of all evil."
Both were strong men. Both gave me advice, but only one was rich. School teaches you to memorize answers, not ask better questions. They tell you how to solve for X, but never how to solve for income. Think about it. You spent 15 years in school. How many classes were on? How to manage money, how to invest, how to build a business? 0. Instead, you learned to fear mistakes, to obey, to be a good employee, not a free human. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. Poor and middle class, they trade time for money. The rich, they make money work for them. Let me say that again. If you're working only for a paycheck, you're stuck. Because money earned from time is limited. But money earned from assets, that's infinite. They sold you a dream. Work hard, get a job, buy a house, retire at 65, live happily ever after. Except you're working 40 hours a week to pay for a car you drive to a job you hate, to buy a house you're never in, to impress people you don't even like. You're not building freedom, you're building someone else's empire and calling it security. That's the trap. Middle class thinks a house is an asset. The rich know it's a liability, unless it makes you money. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. That's it, that's the rule. You want to be rich? Stop collecting toys. Start collecting assets. Fear of being broke keeps you working, and your desire for more keeps you spending. Fear and greed, those 2 emotions control most lives. That's why poor people stay poor. They never learn. They react. They chase more paychecks instead of chasing freedom. If you're Gen Z, you're not lazy. You're misled. You were taught to chase grades, to follow orders, to shut up and fit in. But inside you, there's something else. A fire, a hunger for more. You were born in the age of infinite opportunity. No generation has had more power than you, if you learn the rules. There are 4 ways people earn income. E. Employee, trades time for money. S. Self-employed, still trades time just for higher pay. B. Business owner, builds systems that make money. I. Investor, makes money work without lifting a finger. The rich operate in the B and I quadrants. So ask yourself, which one are you in right now? If money isn't the goal, freedom is. The freedom to wake up when you want, to travel where you want, to take care of your parents, to never ask, can I afford it? You thought you wanted a Lambo, but what you really want is control over your time. And that only comes from owning assets, not earning salaries. So what will you do? Keep chasing money? Or start chasing financial education? Keep working for money? Or make money work for you? This isn't just a video, it's a wake-up call. You've been taught wrong, now it's your move. Read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Study the rules of money. Escape the trap, and when you're ready, build something that pays you, even when you sleep.